Hey, wants to know how we create creative graphic designs and animation VFX?
Come here, let me introduce you to the world of multimedia mastering where creativity meets imagination and technology knows no bound. So, we CTRTs all-rounder launching an exciting e-learning website which includes 3D modeling and sculpting,
texturing and animation.
lighting and visual effects.
Google Learn with CGArtistAllrounder.com. Embark your creative journey with our top courses and graphic blogs instructed by experts. Get creative with us. Sign up yourself in 2 steps. Enter your mail details and verify to open the door to your artistic world.
Start leveling up your creative skills with our course purchases. Click to buy now and pay with your credit or debit card. Have you found any interesting courses here? Go and enroll now on CGArtistAllrounder.com.